A fire incident was reported on Tuesday afternoon at the refinery complex of HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited, located in Pachpadra near Balotra, Rajasthan. The incident occurred at approximately 1:55 p.m. in the crude distillation unit section of the facility. Railtel Corporation of India Limited has secured a significant domestic order from the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai for cloud services, the company announced in a regulatory filing. Hindustan Copper Limited held its annual plan meeting in Kolkata on April 17th to 18th, bringing together senior leadership and unit heads to outline the company's strategic roadmap for fiscal year 2026 to 27 and fiscal year 2027 to 28. A key highlight of the meeting was the unveiling of HCL's Corporate Plan Vision 2030, developed with support from Deloitte Touch Tohmatsu India LLP. India Post, in collaboration with the Press Information Bureau, held its annual Business Meet 2026-27 in New Delhi, bringing together senior officials to review performance and plan future strategies. The meeting was chaired by Union Minister of Communications, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. Bharat Electronics Limited has signed a MOU with Bitmapper Integration Technologies Private Limited to collaborate on the design, development, and manufacturing of advanced electronic modules and systems for defense and aerospace applications. The MOU was signed in Bangalore on April 21, 2026. Hindustan Copper Limited has submitted its initial disclosure to stock exchanges under the SEBI framework for large corporates for FY 2026-27. The company also confirmed that the National Stock Exchange of India would be the stock exchange where any applicable fine would be paid in case of a borrowing shortfall under the framework. The Standing Conference of Public Enterprises and the Capacity Building Commission have launched the classroom immersion phase of Daksh 2.1 at Indian Institute of Management, Indore. The 6-day program marks a key milestone in the flagship leadership development initiative for public sector executives. RITES Limited has achieved a significant engineering milestone with the successful launch of a 45+ meter span, 244 metric ton bowstring girder at the Bardoli Road Overbridge in Surat. State-owned engineering consultancy firm Engineers India Limited has informed stock exchanges that it has executed a tripartite agreement with KFin Technologies Limited and Alankit Assignments Limited regarding its registrar and transfer agent arrangement. BEML Limited has announced that it has secured a significant order worth approximately 590 crore rupees from the Ministry of Defence, Government of India for the supply of trawl assemblies. The contract involves the supply of trawl assemblies, which are critical components used in defence applications.